Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Friday, Friday, January 23rd, 2026. Let's take a look at the charts. I will start with this one. It was the settlement a month ago below the 473.82 low of the weekly all-time high that set up 404.82 as a reachable objective that we've actually yet to test. That can, if tested, contain selling not only through February but into the second quarter. From here we can round up to long-term resistance at 532.70. These are long-term levels, 404.82 and 532.70, and holding above 404.82 will keep in the months ahead that 532.76-year channel top in reach. We're a long way from that right now. Actually, what transpired yesterday, that is Thursday, was a settlement both above this a 9-month channel bottom that we settled below earlier in the week for the first time, and above a newly formed descending channel top. So we have kind of a double buy signal going on here. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit. Holding above 446.39, you can see to the far right, maintains an up pivot. 458.14 in easy reach today. That is a 50% upside retracement over the last 3 or 4 weeks. And in fact, holding above 446.39 is a go-long strategy, as I've been mentioning. Had we, and we did, close above that formation, which we did on Thursday, does maintain a 473.82 1 to 2 week objective. With present volatility, we could certainly see 473.82 by the end of next week. 473.82, once again, the low of the high on that weekly chart. It would be a gap closing event, as well as you can see if you squint. And there are other things happening in that vicinity as well. We've got structures that we'll be showing later next week. The low 470s, meaningful near-term resistance. We can top out in the 473.82 area for a week, which is a long time in the market, which means we could fall away substantially from there. So it could be more than a week. But nonetheless, holding above 446.39, I see the only compelling trade right now is to be long to 473.82 over the next week or two. 458.14 can contain intraday highs today, and if we close today above 458.14, I see a Monday, Tuesday test of 473.82. Now, if we do also then close above 473.82 over the next week or two, that is a pull-away factor to the upside as we move through February, then expecting that 532.70 long-term channel top within probably 3 to 5 weeks of closing above 473.82, 532.70, that formation able to contain buying on a quarterly, possibly annual basis. And that covers the upside pretty well. Let's take a look at the downside. Of course, breaking 446.39 sets up 439.94 intraday. I have it as a range right now to buy into as we continue through next week, expecting 473.82. But if we collapse back and close back below that 439.94 channel bottom, once again, anticipating 404.32 over the next week or two. So yes, if we close today back below 439.94, I would expect the 404.32 formation within a week, 2 at the most. 404.32 is on the daily chart, that which we find in the weekly chart at 404.82, a base of support able to contain selling not only through February but into the second quarter, and once tested or above which, over the next several months, 532.70 remains in easy reach. If we were to close below the 404.82 formation, and that is 404.32 on the daily chart, we enter a 2 to 3 month sell signal back into the 320s, 320.45, an extreme channel bottom, able by that point in time to contain selling through the second quarter and even into later 26. I only expect the 320s unless we close below 404.32. Until then, this is a zone of support that can contain selling into the second quarter, and above which this market remains stable to bullish as we continue into the second quarter, the 532.70 formation in reach.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVIDIA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity. Try it all free for 5 days. Cancel at any time.
Once again, I'm going to repeat myself that if we close today back below 439.94, that is a sell signal on a 1 to 2 week basis back to 404.32. Until then, we actually are in a buy signal above not only 439.94, but also above the 446.39 formation, expecting 478.32 over the next week or two. I think I've said it all. This week, wickedstocks.com put out a stock pick on a super microcomputer. It's still relevant. You can check it out. We give you all the specifics. We guide you through the trade. We support you through the entire process, and we continue providing updates on the status of our trades as we continue through time. You'll really love our service, and we offer a 2-week free trial. You'll also see our daily NVIDIA report, our daily SPY, daily Triple Q, etc., etc., etc. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. I will be back Sunday afternoon with Monday's Tesla report, and you have a great weekend.